Alright. Birds in the Trap saying McKnight. Vinyl. This is my third vinyl. Okay. Fuck. Okay, I'm just gonna use my finger now. Fuck, man, I don't have fingernails. Alright. Fuck, man. Okay. Okay. So it's not like a folding one, which sucks. Okay, so you got this. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the light. The quality's ass. I'm gonna hang this one up. It's sick. Okay, let's check these out. Yo, what? There's no sleeve? These are mad clean though. Not gonna lie. What the hell? Why is there no sleeve? Okay, and for this one. This is low-key a pretty cheap vinyl. It was like 20 bucks. It's not cheap, but like cheaper than most. But yeah, that's the whole thing.